Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and as a mom on the go, I love having this phone stand from Scosche because it allows me to be hands-free. I work from home, so I can easily take this from my office to the kitchen if I'm going to be cooking dinner. I absolutely love using this product at my desk while I'm working. It allows me to be able to go back and forth from my computer to my phone so easily at eye level. At the end of the workday, my neck isn't bothering me as much as it used to. I also really like that it's lightweight and compact, so I can easily throw it in my purse and be on the go and use it wherever I need it. It's really easy to use as well. I like that it has different options. I can either put my phone horizontal or vertical, and it even has an option of raising it or lowering it depending how high you want your phone. So I really like that you can use this product however you like. I even like using it while I'm cooking because it allows me to have my phone right there and look at the recipe I need to look at while I'm cooking dinner. This is really great for anyone who wants to be hands-free, so definitely check out this phone stand from Scosche. That's my point of view.